Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to make Chadol Doenjang. Chadol means very super duper paper thinly sliced beef brisket. And Doenjang means Korean soybean paste. So it's a beef brisket soybean paste soup pretty much. So this is something been really hot in Korea a couple of years ago. And I shared my Doenjang Jjigae recipe like long time ago. So I was like, you know what? I've been really obsessed with Chadol Doenjang. So I decided to share with you today. So let's get started. The first, you will need this beef brisket. So you can find this super duper thinly sliced beef brisket from Korean grocery stores. I think only Koreans eat this cut this thin, like sliced this way. If you just want to slice the beef brisket by yourself really thinly with your very sharp knife and like a little small piece of brisket, just freeze it in the refrigerator about maybe 1 or 2 hours, like the outer side is like a little slightly frozen, then slice it carefully really thinly. That you can do that by yourself, or if your butcher is nice enough to do it for you, go ahead and ask them to do it for you. Okay, before we start the cooking and everything, I'm going to start to cut up all the veggies. So I'm actually going to, I didn't mean to, but like my flower and my outfit, colors matching. So anyways, I'm going to peel a potato. You will need one small Yukon gold potato. Maybe not even one, maybe half of it. So if you have like a little, small amount of the potato left in your house, go ahead and use it. Choose only this much. I'm just gonna cube them about, let's say, half inch size, just like that, this much, just about this size. And cut one onion. I mean, I'm peeling one onion, but I'm not gonna use it all. You will need only about a quarter of onion. Oh yeah, this onion is like firm, like really firm. Dang girl, super firm. Cut the onion same size as the potato. If you add too much onion, it's gonna be like little too sweet. It's just not as like, like nice taste, I would say. Doenjang Jjigae is supposed to not sweet. Next, tofu. So in Korea, we use soft to medium soft tofu for soup. But the texture is really up to you, whatever you want. So you will need about half block of tofu. And I'm going to cut it like a little bigger size than the potato or onion, like more like this. So this is about 1 inch. 1 inch cube. Turn the heat of the stove and then stir fry or saute the beef first, so they will release all their fat to, like creating all that flavor. We need to do it the first button right. So we're gonna stir fry this first in the dry pot. So this is about 6 ounces of beef brisket. Just add it all. Bam. So keep stir frying the beef until it releases all its fat to the pot. And these little brown bits on the side of the pot, that's flavor. So beef is cooked through. It cooked through, so I'm going to add onion and the potato. Okay, my chopstick keep sticking into the beef. I'm gonna use my spoon. I'm gonna change my tool. Okay, so you will need 3 cups of water. So water will be my last choice. Actually, 3 cups of beef stock will be really good option. Or my Korean ultimate stock will be the best option. But one of my easiest option is this dashida. It's a Korean style of beef bouillon. And it tastes really good, so I'm gonna use it. So 3 cups of that. I mean 3 cups of water, but a little generous pinch of dashida. I always hide underneath of the counter so nobody knows my secret. not secret anymore, according to YouTube. No. All right, now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of Korean bean paste, fermented bean paste. We call doenjang. That's why it's a Chadol Doenjang. I'm using this Seonkyoung doenjang. This is my favorite doenjang from where I live, the Korean market where I can get. So if you're living in around the Sacramento area, go ahead and get this one in the refrigerator section actually, because this is fresh doenjang. But I recommend for this recipe, if you really don't want to use any stock, just want to use water, then go ahead and get the doenjang that has already the anchovy and the kombu flavor, the dashima flavor in it. There's a doenjang like that is specially made only for Doenjang Jjigae, the Korean soybean paste soup. So if you can go ahead and find it, go ahead and get that one for the soup. For regular doenjang will work too. And 1 tablespoon of gochujang. So gochujang is optional. If you want it to be spicy, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean red pepper paste. If you don't want it to be spicy, just add 4 tablespoons of doenjang. You don't have to use gochujang. This is totally optional. Teaspoon of gochugaru. I like a little spiciness on my throat when I'm eating Korean food. Make sure there's no clumps left, because like a big chunk of doenjang or gochujang in your mouth, that is not nice. Been there, done that, not nice. You will make the ugliest face you can make. Smells so good already. Actually, I'm going to taste it now if the seasoning is right. Oh yeah. Oh, after they boil, it's gonna be so good. I forgot to take out some garlic. I think we will need maybe 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. Oh, look at that boiling. I don't know why I'm laughing like that, don't ask me. Okay, now when it starts boiling like this is the time we're gonna add the tofu. Stir carefully not to break down the tofu too much. We're gonna keep boiling until tofu absorb all the flavor from the soup and the potato is fully cooked. Meanwhile, let's chop some 2 cloves of garlic, a couple of green onions, and serrano pepper, only if you want the spicy. Honestly, the ratio of the vegetable and tofu and the meat is totally up to you. Mine, I love beef brisket, I love chadol bagi, so that's why I add a lot of chadol and just a tiny bit of I feel a little bad now after I'm talking about it, but that's why I added just a little bit of tofu and the onion and the potato just to help the beef brisket. Just to help the brisket, because the star is the brisket. Every time I taste that, it makes me dance. It's so good. I got my rice already. I got my rice ready already. We're gonna add the chopped garlic and chopped green onion and the serrano. Looks so good! How I eat is actually get some of this soup on top of the rice. Oh, it smells so good. Get my beef fix and just mix it. I inhaled a little bit. Oh, this is so good. And the tofu just break down like this. So if you don't want spicy, omit all the red pepper flakes and red pepper paste and the chili pepper, just omit all that, because it's still gonna be really good. But I love spicy food. Oh man, I don't need anything else but just Chadol Doenjang. Oh, the potato is so good. Oh, it's so hot, so good. It's so hot, but it's so good. I cannot like slow down eating. Then this is sounds that you're making. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness, what did I do to myself? Oh. And this also soju food. I want some soju right now. Soju, cold, yeah? I don't have a soju, I have a 백세주. It's even better. I love 백세주. It's more fancy too. I pour myself because I'm by myself. Nobody can pour for me, that's why. But cheers guys, cheers. In case some of you are probably older than me watching, so. So good, so good. Oh, so good with the, oh, perfect, perfect. 여러분 오늘 차돌 된장에 소주 한잔 하실래요? I told you before. Eat, drink, eat, drink, eat, drink. Some of you probably asking like, is it really like that good? Like you have to make sound every single bite? Yes. It's that good. So good. I'm so happy. 받으시오. 감사합니다. Guys, if you liked my Chadol Doenjang, the beef brisket soybean paste soup, please give me a thumbs up. It's so hearty, so good. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, the soldier is kicking me. Subscribe to my channel yet? Hit the button. Hit the button. What are you doing? Come on now. Come on now. Hit the button. Hit the button. Hit it. Aha. Hit it. Ah. Hit it now. Okay, good. Good job. Good job. And thank you so much for watching. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Excuse me. And this is Asian at home. And I will see you next time. Bye. You know what I'm gonna do after done filming this? Eat, drink, eat, drink, eat, drink.
Oh my